2004 Chevrolet box truck. Very, very clean. 39,000 miles. Has the dually. You also have the aerodynamics to get you on that highway without a problem with the top. Extremely clean. Has all the rubber mats inside, the flooring. Even the seats, they don't have, usually, unfortunately, they're always ripped on both sides, or usually the drivers, but this one does not have that issue at all. Ice cold air conditioning. The box is in great shape. Also, this is another benefit right here, the fact that you have the roll down ramp. So you could actually use this as a moving van if you really wanted to. It does have aluminum shelves in here. They were put in for like a couple thousand was spent here alone. If you don't want the shelves, we could take them out. Has all lighting throughout the cargo area, and in here there's extra lighting. Like I said, this seat is in great shape, no problems. Stereo, trailer hitch capability of hauling button, has the owner's manual, cup holders, sliding door, also has a little board there. Doors in great shape. If you need more information, give us a call here at Crazy Joe's at 718-448-5548. Keep in mind we have many work vehicles available.